Hi everyone, I'm Siyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to switch your Instagram professional account to personal account. Switching back to personal account allows you to enjoy a more private experience without business features. So, let's get started on how to switch your Instagram professional account to personal account. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. In the Settings and Activity menu, tap on the Creator Tools and Controls option. Here you can see the Switch Account Type option. Tap on it. Tap on the Switch to Personal Account option. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure about the switch. Confirm by tapping Switch to Personal Account again. And this is how you can switch your Instagram professional account to personal account. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.